Welcome to this tutorial on why use Monday.com Pulses, a comprehensive guide to understanding the benefits and applications of Pulses in team collaboration and project management. To start with, Pulses are a core feature of Monday.com, a work operating system that enables teams to manage and track their work in a customizable and flexible way. Pulses are essentially items or records that represent a single unit of work, such as a task, project, or idea, and they can be used to track progress, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Using Pulses in Monday.com offers several benefits, including improved transparency and visibility into team workflows, enhanced collaboration and communication among team members, and increased productivity and efficiency. With Pulses, team members can easily access and update information, reducing misunderstandings and miscommunications. One of the key concepts to understand when using Pulses is customization. Monday.com allows users to customize Pulses to fit their specific needs, adding relevant columns, fields, and integrations to create a tailored workflow. For example, a marketing team might create Pulses for social media posts, with columns for post content, due dates, and assigned team members. Another important concept is automation. Monday.com Pulses can be automated to trigger notifications, assign tasks, and update workflows, reducing manual labor and increasing efficiency. For instance, a sales team might set up an automation to send a notification to the sales manager when a new lead is added as a pulse. In terms of practical applications, Pulses can be used in a wide range of scenarios, from project management and customer relationship management to sales and marketing automation. For example, a product development team might use Pulses to track feature requests, with each pulse representing a single request and including information on priority, status, and assigned developer. Best practices for using Pulses include keeping Pulses concise and focused on a single unit of work, using clear and descriptive names and tags, and regularly updating and reviewing Pulses to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. It is also essential to establish clear workflows and automation rules to ensure that Pulses are used consistently and efficiently across the team. In conclusion, Monday.com Pulses offer a powerful way to streamline team collaboration and project management, providing a flexible and customizable framework for tracking work and driving productivity. By understanding the benefits and applications of Pulses, and by following best practices for their use, teams can unlock the full potential of Monday.com and achieve greater success in their work.